A no-bake dessert that's easy to prepare, this Filipino-style tiramisu is guaranteed to impress. With mascarpone cheese as a main ingredient, this recipe will be a delightful twist on the classic Italian dessert, blending the rich, creamy layers with distinctly Filipino flavors. Now, traditional tiramisu uses mascarpone cheese as pressed on lady fingers. In this Filipino style, I do use Filipino ladyfingers called broas, which replaces the Italian ones. And sometimes, I didn't do it in this recipe, but you can replace the sugar with some or add some condensed milk, and instead of heavy whipping cream, you could use all-purpose cream to make it sweeter and creamier. Hope you enjoyed this recipe!